Parts Geek Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think buying car parts online is risky, but you won't believe what happens next when you realize how much money you can actually save. Parts Geek is one of the largest online auto parts retailers, offering millions of parts for almost every vehicle make and model. From brake pads to headlights, alternators to sensors, it promises warehouse-level pricing delivered straight to your door. The surprising truth about Parts Geek is that many of their prices are significantly lower than local auto shops, sometimes by 30 to 60%. That alone makes drivers rush to click buy. But most people get this wrong. They assume low price means no risk. In reality, the biggest challenge with Parts Geek is making sure you select the exact right part the first time. Parts Geek does not hold your hand the way a physical parts store does. You are responsible for matching your vehicle's year, make, model, engine type, and trim. If you misclick even one detail, you might receive a part that technically fits a different version of your car. Returns are possible, but shipping costs and restocking fees can quickly erase your savings. Here is how to use Parts Geek safely. First, enter your VIN number whenever possible to ensure precise matching. Second, compare the part number shown on your old part with the one listed online. Third, read the description carefully for engine size, drivetrain, and special package requirements. This simple process prevents most ordering mistakes. Shipping is usually fast, often within 2 to 5 business days, and Parts Geek offers tracking on all shipments. Customer support exists, but it is mostly ticket-based, so patience is helpful. Parts Geek is best for DIY mechanics, experienced car owners, and anyone who knows exactly what part they need. If you prefer hands-on advice, a local shop might still be the better option. The surprising truth is that smart online buying can save you hundreds per repair. Subscribe now for more honest reviews that help you spend less and drive smarter.